The warning came suddenly and threatened swift action. Facebook pulling posts citing violations of community decency standards. The cited issue is made up of people who plant flowers and till the soil. Jane Flash tells us why they are suddenly under siege.
A place to share ideas and show off successes, the Western New York Gardeners Facebook group has bloomed to nearly 8,000 members.
It's all about sharing gardens, plants, tips, asking questions, fostering, just, a love of gardening.
A post in May invited members to sound off to list their most loved and indispensable weeding tool. One member had a clear favorite. It's called a push-pull hoe. Then Facebook flagged that post as a violation of standards for harassment and bullying.
So hoe comes up a lot because hoe is one of the predominant tools that are used for weeding and gardening.
The garden tool is spelled H-O-E. Algorithms see it as a misspelling of H-O, a derogatory and demeaning slang. It also didn't like the name of another tool, a Japanese hand hoe.
We were laughing at it, and we did think it was silly. But then I thought, okay, so this means like 8,000 people lose their local gardening group. That's not good.
Earlier this year, Facebook issued an apology for flagging a reference to a location in the UK called Plymouth Hoe. Yet the Western New York gardeners struggled to get similar consideration until a post to a highly visible website caught the attention of the media and eventually of Facebook.
That's the solution to everything in the world, right? Is you just have to make a lot of noise. If this happens again and an admin, we're in any danger of having our post removed, a real person is going to look at it and contact us to make sure that it's okay.
Still, the site administrators are taking few chances. Moving forward, the tool formerly spelled H-O-E has a new moniker.
The cultivation tool that shall not be named.
Jane Flash, 13 WEM News.
Shall remain nameless. Facebook monitors millions of groups. They've been under pressure to increase enforcement of bullying and indecent messaging. The gardeners say additional posts involving, get this, ways to kill beetles and other pests continue to be flagged or disabled.